Congratulations goes out to all the finalists. And the 2021 SEMA Manufacturer of the Year is Oracle Lighting, Inc. Real heavy. There you go, Tip. You want to hold that thing? You good? I mean, it's heavy. You'll get an arm workout here. Congratulations on the incredible honor. You can stand close to me. It's all right. So the judging panel considers a lot of different factors when selecting a winner for this award. I got to ask you, how does your company keep high standards in all of them?
Oh, man, it was tough, but we have such an incredible group of people. And putting people first in our culture, along with having a good time with what we're doing and having fun.
You guys like to party.
Yeah. But I think that really just drives a high vibe energy within our company. And so that's how we just keep fueling that passion and keep moving forward.
I love it. Yeah, you guys are everywhere. You're doing a lot of cool things.
Yeah.
Is there a particular area of your business that you're most proud of?
I think the innovation of all of our new products, that we're just constantly driving new things out into the industry. So.
What'd you say?
I'm just taking credit for the innovation.
Okay, got it. Cool.
So yeah, I think that's a big part of what we're doing. So,
Awesome.
Yeah.
Well, congratulations. How about another round of applause for SEMA's Manufacturer of the Year? You guys are gonna party tonight. Is it your birthday? Happy birthday! All right, let's go this way.